everyone, welcome to Glam Forever. I'm Aisha Gupta. We are going to start a 30-day series of different types of makeup looks. 30 days, 30 different types of looks. So let's get started. Today is the first day and we are going to do a no makeup look. This look is created in this video, and if you like, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. So let's get started how we can achieve this no makeup look.
So first we are starting from moisturizer. I already cleansed my face and after that I apply moisturizer. Moisturizer is necessary before makeup. If it is not applied, our makeup look cakey and patchy all the time. So it is necessary. Next step of prepping your skin is primer. Primer closes your pores and create a layer on your skin so makeup products doesn't penetrate into your skin and it leaves flawless and blended glow of your makeup. Now I'm applying a orange color corrector. Don't take it too much, just a little bit, because we are creating no makeup look. Color corrector is totally optional, but I'm using this because I have a dark circle just a bit, and it can properly hide my dark circles. It gives me a perfect look of my concealer. I'm also applying it on my hyperpigmentation area just to take a little bit orange color character and blend it well. Now it's time for a concealer. Take a concealer and apply under your eyes just like I'm showing you. Now also apply on your hyperpigmentation area. Now take a flat brush or a concealer brush and blend it well. Now set your concealer with setting powder or compact powder, whatever you have. Setting your concealer is necessary because if you don't, it creates line on your eyes. Oh, I love to apply this brush all over my face. It gives me a subtle look. Now take a Vaseline and a mascara wand and set your brows. You can also fill your brows, but I don't need that. That's why I just love to do this. So it gives me a perfect look. Now for the eyes, I'm taking a brown kajal and just applying like a liner, on the corner. Now apply brown kajal on lower lash line and smudge it so it gives a natural look. Now it's time for mascara. You can take any mascara and just apply on your lashes. I love to apply mascara. It's a game changer for eyes. A little brush can never hurt anyone. Just a little bit, don't take too much because it will ruin your natural look. Little bit on nose. For highlighter, I'm using Vaseline. You can use any type of highlighters, liquid, powdery, whatever you want, but it doesn't look cakey. Just remind that. And I love to using Vaseline because it gives me a glow that I want. For the lips, I'm using a pink natural shade and applying with my fingers so it doesn't look too much, just a little bit, because we are going to create a natural no makeup look. So yes, so we are done with makeup. Now it's time for a hairstyle. For this we are creating a simple and subtle hairstyle. for this, create a side partition, and for the small partition take a bunch of hair and roll it down and attach with bobby pin or tic clip, whatever you have. Just a second, take a second bunch of hair and just attach it with again bobby pin or a tic pin. Now you are done with simple hairstyle. Accessorize yourself with small earrings just like I did, and then your no makeup look is complete. What do you think about this look? Please comment down your thoughts, and please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Stay happy, stay clean.